Okay, so we've got our picanha up to rare. What I have done is I've put some gardening gloves on underneath, and I've just come over the top with my black nitrile gloves. So what this does, it gives me some thermal and some water protection, some moisture protection. So I can now go in there and handle this with my hands. Full dexterity rather than fumbling around with tongs. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take it from the indirect side, we're gonna bring it over to the direct side. We're gonna get some char and some sear on it. Char is one of the most important things to barbecue. That's where you get that nice barbecue flavor from. Right, so we're gonna remove the thermometer, and we're just gonna let this barbecue breathe for a sec, so while we can get some more heat from these coals, because I want a nice quick sear. I don't want it to stew over the coals. Okay, we've rendered that fat nice now. We've got a nice color all over. So straight onto the grill. And we're just gonna keep turning that just so we get like a consistent char across all the surfaces. Okay, so the sizzling's telling me that it's nearly ready to turn. We'll have a bit of a look at it. All right, so you've got to keep an eye on when we go fat side down, because that fat's pretty flammable. Okay, it's time for the fat. This is when the fireworks start. Okay, so we've seared this thing off nice and proper now. So we're just going to bring it up out onto the board and just give it a bit of a rest. So we've got two nice, juicy Scotch fillet steaks. Perfect. So now, just a little bit more flavour. And what we're going to do now, by introducing it to the heat, we're going to do something that's called a Maillard reaction. So all of the sugars are going to caramelise in this steak, which is going to elevate this flavour just one more, probably 10 more notches up, okay? We'll apply our blackout rub again, just a little bit to each surface. The coals are beautiful and hot. This thing's at over 700 Fahrenheit now. So we're going to put these straight on. And we only need a minute or so each side. We don't want to cook this thing anymore. We just want to caramelise the surface. They will get stuck to the grill because the grill is so hot. So again, with these double glove system that I've got here, I can just move them around very, very easy. Tongs are good, but sometimes tongs will slip and take chunks and rub off the meat, so gloves are great for that. You can see that fat just sizzling away on the surface there, and that's what we want. We want those sugars caramelising. Perfect, medium rare Scotch fillet steak.